Hey everyone, Kaylee, your friendly neighborhood hairstylist here, and today we're going to do some easy wedding guest hairstyles. Okay, so wedding season is 100% upon us, and I don't know about you guys, but I've seen all these cute little videos about like wedding guest attire inspiration, and I thought it would be fun to do some wedding guest hair inspiration. Because if you're gonna get all cute and dressed up and go to a special event for a special someone, why not make sure that you love your hair at least as much as you love your outfit? So we've got some easy half-up styles today. I think they're gonna be good for a variety of different weddings. Be sure to tell me which one is your favorite in the comments. But before we get started, I wanna say a big thank you to TRESemmé for partnering with me on today's video. I have been playing around with their Keratin Smooth Weightless collection, and I've got to say it's pretty stellar, and I'm excited for you guys to see it in action in today's video. So with all that said, let's get into the video. Now your hairstyle always starts with your prep, and today I want to prep a smooth, silky base for these hairstyles. So I'm going to be using the TRESemmé Keratin Smooth Weightless Silky Shine Spray. You're going to be applying this to large sections of hair, just one spray per section. And I found that about 4 sections on each side works best for me and my hair. For the initial blow dry, I'm going to make sure that the nozzle of my hair dryer is pointing towards the end of my hair for the smoothest result. But I'm also going to be making sure that I'm using a hairbrush and kind of pulling my hair straighter just a little bit to get some of the natural wave out so I have a nice straight base. Now what the Silky Shine Spray is doing while I'm drying my hair is protecting it from heat. It's giving me up to 3 days of smooth hair, and because it's oil-free, it's gonna give you a really lightweight, beautiful shine, which you can already see even though my hair is still damp. At this point, I'm taking a 1-inch attachment for my hair dryer, and I'm gonna be curling my hair away from the face and then pinning it up to cool. If you would rather use a curling iron, you can go ahead and finish drying your hair and then do the exact same thing I'm doing with my hair dryer with your curling iron. And then once this is all cool, I can take this down and show you guys the results. Voila, a beautiful, bouncy, shiny wave. Okay, all this shine and luster, that is the Silky Shine Spray. And I gotta say, I love how it feels on my hair. My hair just feels really silky and really smooth. In my opinion, it both works and feels like one of my favorite salon products, but it's TRESemmé. You can pick it up at your local drugstore. A win all the way around. Anyway, now that we have this gorgeous shine and bounce, let's do some hairstyles. I want to get started with this cutie little half ponytail. You're going to start by sectioning your hair, starting at your ears and going to where you want your ponytail to sit. I recommend using a rat tail comb to do this so you can get a really precise line, and then using that comb to pull that hair back. You can either maintain your part or not, depending on the overall look that you're going for. You can also choose to leave some hair down or not, depending on the overall look you're going for. And then you're gonna go ahead and secure that with an elastic. And now we're gonna take a little bit of hair out of the ponytail to wrap around the elastic, but before we wrap it, we're gonna spray it with a little bit of the TRESemmé Keratin Smooth Weightless Anti-Frizz Finishing Spray. And then we wrap that piece of hair around the base of the ponytail to cover up the elastic and then pin in place. That is the hairstyle, but I do want to polish it off a little bit more with the TRESemmé Keratin Smooth Weightless Silk Serum. This serum seals in shine and protects against frizz without weighing the hair down. And then I think it's always a good idea to finish off with some hairspray. This is the Weightless Anti-Frizz hairspray that we used just a second ago. It has flexible polymers for a really natural looking hold and up to 24 hours of frizz control, which given the amount of outdoor weddings that happen this time of year is a must. And there is your half-up ponytail. I like to keep it sweet and keep it simple sometimes. I feel like there's like a little nod of femininity to this hairstyle without going like over the top. You can pair it with your flouncy floral dress and it would look super cute. But honestly, like a little like slinky sequin number, also cute. She's versatile. Who's ready for a little disco moment? You might notice my curls are a little tighter than they are in the rest of the video. I did the exact same thing that I did before, but with a 1-inch curling iron, or you could use the 3/4 inch dryer attachment. I just feel like more curl and more body really contributes to this hairstyle. So let's pull this rat tail comb back out. We're gonna create just a little triangle section right here. I'm leaving some hair out over my ears. You don't have to. If you wanna pull all that hair up, you're more than welcome. And I'm just gonna take it right here from my temples, straight back. And there we go. Let's smooth her out a little bit. And of course, I'm pulling out a little tendril. And then I'm gonna hold this hair up so that the top of it is completely horizontal, parallel to the ground. And we're gonna twist. You can also notice that my fingers are very far back from my hair. That's gonna keep this little triangle here forming a little bit farther out. If you move your hands closer, it's gonna be much more narrow into the part. Then grab just a little section of hair from the middle of the twist and scrunch up. That's just for a little bit of body, and then place it against your head. Now we pin. You wanna pin up and into the twist like the twist is a tunnel and the bobby pin is going through it. And I like to make a little circular motion with my bobby pin to make sure that I'm grabbing hair from my head and the twist. Then we repeat on the other side. And then I feel like whenever I curl my hair a little tighter, I want some more smoothness. So I'm gonna take a little bit of the Silk Serum and just add that on. That's the hairstyle. I know it's so easy, but I love the disco and boho vibes at the same time. I feel like you can also kind of mess with it depending on your curl texture. So this is with the tighter curl, but I also did it on my looser curl so you could see. And it's really pretty both ways, but it does give kind of its own style. So it's up to you to choose. Bonus, you could also add in some hair accessories. I'm suddenly a spring princess. Then I've got this little bedazzly baby. I don't have the perfect sparkly thing for it, but I feel like you get the idea. Yeah? I see it. What do you guys think, accessories or not? I love it. Oh my gosh. Honestly, I don't have any summer weddings this year, so maybe I'll just wear this with a cute dress on like a date night, because I love it. I am so excited about this last one. You're gonna get started by sectioning your hair from your ears up. And you can go ahead and leave out some tendrils if you want to. You know I'm going to. And then you wanna brush everything back so that it's nice and smooth. So now we're gonna create like a little baby French twist. And to do that, you're gonna twist your hair in one direction for a little, and then you're going to pivot it upwards and continue to twist, and that forms your little French twist. And then you're going to pin into that until it feels secure. And now is the fun part. You get to get so incredibly creative and move these ends around to create the perfect little tousled structure that you want. For me, I was going with kind of like an elongated bun, and you can do this just by kind of looping your hair around and pinning it in place. To make it a little bit more easier and more manageable, I'm gonna take some pieces and tie them in little knots, pull that apart, and then pin the knot down. It just gives you like a little bit more of like an idea of what to do with your hair, but also a little bit more structure as well. And in my humble opinion, you must leave some ends out. I feel like that makes the whole hairstyle. And once you got it where you like it, stop, you're all done. And of course, I want this hairstyle to stay, so I'm gonna use the Anti-Frizz finishing spray to hold it all together. This also says that it has 48 hours of humidity resistance. Key, absolutely key. And that is our knotted updo. I really love how this kind of marries a very trendy updo with a half up, half down hairstyle. And I feel like it's so wearable and cute for this wedding season. I hope you enjoyed this wedding guest hair inspo. For me, like picking out the right hairstyle for my outfit is something I put thought into, so in case anybody out there is like me, I hope this made everything way easier. I had fun filming this, and honestly, I wish that I had a cutie little wedding to go to now that I look all dressed up and cute. A big thank you again to TRESemmé for partnering with me on today's video. I really loved getting to work with them on this, and honestly, I've been shocked at how beautiful and lustrous my hair has been this whole video. But all that said, that is today's video. Thank you for joining me today. Whether you're old or new or a casual lurker, thank you for spending time with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah! Bye! Listen, this dress is cute, but I really wish it came with a diagram. The amount of times it took me to figure out how to put this thing on, and she did it.